2,200-year-old flush toilet, oldest ever found, unearthed at palace ruins in China. The rare royal flush. No picture of the vintage commode? The oldest found flush toilet is actually in ancient Thera, present-day Santorini, Greece, around 3,500 years ago, in the Minoan civilization. Shortly followed by the invention of the poop knife. Now I wonder who did the oldest upper decker. Well, shit. We're not the ones at Knossos older than this. It is the first and only flush toilet to be ever unearthed in China. That toilet has seen some shit.